most welcome to this unique, pioneering osseointegration Congress for Latin America. It's very, very important to understand and respect the fact that what we are going to talk about now, the next few days, is something that shouldn't be possible to do, because what we are doing is we are trying to ask Mother Nature to accept introducing a piece of metal in the human body. And these days we will consider the possibility to anchor prostheses of different sorts to the craniomaxillofacial region. Since there are so many patients who would benefit from this procedure, it's a remarkable program that has been established, which provides variations in procedures and approaches related to availability of experienced doctors, but also the availability of covering the cost of this treatment. So availability, affordability. And we certainly are very interested in listening to very special procedures, but also to consider that to reach as many patients as possible, we would like to have safe, simple procedures for the majority of patients. And this can only be achieved if we share not only success, but also report when there were unexpected problems. It's something that is not so easy to achieve without your participation and your comments on the basic requirements for how to achieve a safe clinical procedure. And then what we should share is certainly success, but also failures, even minor problems. And then we should also remember that when we start osseointegration treatment, then it's for lifetime. And if you start now, we have reports that osseointegration works in the young ones and hearing aids and so forth, but also that it works in 100-year-old patients. Then I think it's very, very important that we assist each other in avoiding unnecessary mistakes. So, according to the program of the conference, it seems that there are so many exciting titles, and please enjoy the sharing of experience of something that has already been applied since 50 years, but which is still a very new procedure. And if we remind that there are millions of patients waiting for osseointegrated reconstructions, we are just in the very early stage of testing its possibilities. In this context, however, it is important to mention and remember that we already have 2 decades of clinical experience of osseointegration in Brazil, in Bauru Institute of Osseointegration, and that indicates that the anatomy physiology of Brazilian craniomaxillofacial tissue is of equal quality to the rest of the world. With our encouraging clinical results achieved here in Latin America, we have similar experience from the other half of the world, namely China, and it seems that together we can not only arrange the technicalities, but we can also try to adjust and adapt hardware and software to match in harmony between different anatomies and functions. So please contribute with your critical and constructive solutions for how to improve the quality of life for all those with craniomaxillofacial defects. Enjoy the conference.